Hey guys, how's it going? How to see your watch history on TikTok. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my avatar icon at the top right. Go ahead to the apps and just go ahead and start looking for TikTok. Double check if the app needs to be updated. If it does, just do it. If it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now, I'm going to just open up the TikTok, right? And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just close this ad, click on your profile at the below right corner. And what you're going to do next, you're going to just click the three bars at the top right, go ahead to the settings and privacy, and then scroll a little bit down until you find the activity center. And from here in the activity center, you're going to just see right here, watch history. Just go ahead and click on it. And basically you're going to see all of the videos, TikTok videos that you watched on your, TikTok basically, right? And you're going to be able to witness it here. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.